how versatile and easy it is to put the Cocina in. No more FRP dust everywhere, making people sick, making people itchy. Score the sheet. We're gonna run a second score over to your edge. That's it. And you can do that on a 10-foot and an 8-foot length, no problem. There you go, guys. So similar to FRP, you trowel on the blade. What would you say the work time is on that? More than enough time to get it squared up? And,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, and it moves pretty easy?
Once it's up, it's not awesome to move, but it's not.
But it is movable. I saw you guys just move it over. And then you just roll it out.
Yeah. After you roll it, you can't move it.
After you roll it, it can't be moved, so make sure it's good. And over here, we've got Jim working on the front of the two-part trims. As you can see, they literally just snap in. We go over them with the roller. There. It's the finished product, waiting to be peeled before health inspection.